So can I get gasoline here?
What? I don't know speaking English.
Gasoline bisa?
Bisa?
Okay. 30.000.
30.000?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's interesting that they have a little machine like this here in the village.
Di Indonesia semuanya gampang. Ketika kita berjalan menggunakan sepeda motor, jangan takut ketika bahan bakar kendaraan Anda habis, karena memang saat ini pedesaan atau mungkin di pinggiran kota banyak menjual bensin Bule, membeli gasolin atau bensin, dan dia melihat bagaimana cara kerja. Itu sekali bagi pembeli eceran khususnya yang membuat segala sesuatunya berjalan dengan mudah.
Usually in the villages in Southeast Asia, you get gasoline in these plastic bottles here. Sometimes it's like old Coca-Cola bottles or old liquor bottles. But here they actually have a little machine like this, which looks like a real petrol station, right? But yeah, this is literally a very rural village. And there we are, filling the gasoline inside the motorway. And that's how we get gasoline in rural Indonesia.